Many of us have experienced the monthly cycle that we so casually refer to as that time of the month. It can be a time of discomfort, mood swings, and yes, even inconvenience, but it's also an intriguing biological process that's a fundamental part of being female. So today we're taking a deep dive into the science behind monthly periods. Monthly periods, or menstruation, is a natural process that plays a crucial role in the female reproductive system. It all begins in the brain, specifically in the hypothalamus, which sends signals to the pituitary gland. These signals trigger the release of hormones, follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH. These hormones are the main conductors of the menstrual orchestra, guiding the body through a complex symphony of events. FSH stimulates the ovaries to mature an egg. This maturation process prompts the ovaries to produce estrogen, which thickens the uterus's lining, preparing it for a potential pregnancy. Around the middle of the menstrual cycle, a surge in LH triggers the release of the mature egg from the ovary, a process known as ovulation. Now, if the egg is fertilized by a sperm, it attaches itself to the thickened uterine lining, marking the start of a pregnancy. However, if fertilization doesn't occur, the levels of estrogen and progesterone drop, causing the thickened uterine lining to shed. This shedding, accompanied by bleeding, is what we know as a period. Now, it's worth noting that this cycle is not just about reproduction, it's also closely tied to overall health. Regular periods often indicate that your body is functioning normally, while irregular periods can be a sign of health issues like stress, malnutrition, or medical conditions such as polycystic ovary syndrome. To summarize, the monthly period is a complex process, regulated by a series of hormonal changes. It begins with the hypothalamus signaling the pituitary gland, followed by the release of FSH and LH. These hormones stimulate the maturation and release of an egg from the ovaries and the thickening of the uterus lining. If the egg isn't fertilized, the uterus lining sheds, resulting in a period. Remember, periods, while sometimes inconvenient and uncomfortable, are a natural and essential part of female biology. Understanding the science behind them can help us appreciate the incredible complexity of the human body and better manage the challenges that come with this monthly cycle. So the next time you find yourself reaching for that hot water bottle or favorite comfort food, remember, your body is performing a biological symphony, and every note matters.